Homegirl, trust me, you can cloth diaper. And today I'm going to give you another encouraging reason why you can smash on your cloth diapering journey. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of Cuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. What's up, everybody, and hey to all the new subscribers. I'm so glad you guys popped in today. Really quickly, I'm going to share another reason that you can cloth diaper your baby. If you've been watching this month, you already know that I am giving you these tips, these quick gems to encourage you to cloth diaper because I really believe that you can do it. And today's reason why you can do it is because cloth diapers are modern and easy to use. Sis, I want to dispel this myth. No longer are we doing the diapers of our grandmothers. My mom was a cloth diaper baby, and the diapers that my grandmother used on her are not the cloth diapers that we use today. Trust me on this. We have so much. We've come so far with modern technology, textiles, the way we do use snaps and buttons and all these doodads. It helps to make cloth diapering a simpler, easier process. So much so that I always say this, cloth diapering really is the ease of disposables, but the luxury of cloth because they are modern, they're simple, they're wonderful to use. And let me just kind of show you. One of the things that makes cloth diapers modern are these little things called snappies. Now, we have a lot of moms who still use pins for various reasons. Sometimes they're easier to use. Sometimes you just don't want your baby to be able to pull off a diaper. But even if you don't want to use pins or you're scared, there's a little trepidation there, you don't have to use a pin to secure your diaper. A snappy is a modern version of a closure for your diaper. Snappies are usually used with diapers that we do fold, like pre-folds and flats, sometimes with fitted diapers. These are all diapers that sometimes require a closure, and if they do, we can use the hot new instead of the old school pins to close our baby's diapers. While you can still catch, like I said, pre-folds and flats, which look like the older school uses of cloth diapers, we also have new school technology. We got all-in-ones, y'all. That means that you do not have to fuss and fold over diapers if you don't want to. There are ways to make it as easy as you want it to be for you and your baby. All-in-one capitalizes on everything that a disposable diaper has, but puts it into an easy cloth washable situation that really makes it something that can be a staple on your diapering and your baby's infant through toddler journey. You know what I'm saying? All-in-ones capitalize on the technology advances of cloth diapering. That means that we're not using water pants. I don't know what they call them. Water pants, hot pants. My mom was trying to explain that when I did that cute chat with her. But there was rubber pants. That is what it is. We're not using rubber pants no more, y'all. The most we're going to get to, the closest we're going to get to rubber pants is a cover. But we are taking what our grandmothers used and improving on it to have a much simpler cloth diapering experience in 2021. So the bottom line is you can cloth diaper your baby. I want you to look in the camera and say it with me. I can cloth diaper my baby. You go. Yes, you can cloth diaper your baby because they are modern and easy to use. Trust me on this. For all my sister friends out there, I just want you to feel encouraged that you can do this, feel empowered, and know that I am here with you along the journey. If you have any questions for me on this concept of cloth diapering being super simple, easy, routines, all that kind of stuff, make sure you drop it in the comments below. I will be sure to answer your question and maybe even do a little video on it. Well, that's all I have for you today. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video, and head over to clothcuties.com where there's more information to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.